Result bla apply na po ka MPSC nakakalay tri umach ajar apply jong ka post Assistant Engineer in the Office of the Chief Engineer Water Resource Department April 2018 conduct by the Commission on the 7, 8 and 9 February. Mula pendep ia ka personal interview haka nyo pra kandai jong February te result ada declare but ki kerteng jong ki successful candidate kilong Pinsyai Demi Surong Chan Jirim M Sangma Badap Kuparwanyang, Soles Tarwan, Hei Sakaru Hadam, Grace Dorati Lalu, Saman Roy Bhalendra, Teng Simeji Momin, Nim Rika Armarak, Mon Tuwar Merong Marak, Diganta Hajong, Sil Sang Gisle and Sangma, and Robin and Marak.